Hey everybody, Jay here at LockNLube, and today we're talking about the LockNLube Barrel Cap, aka the Grease Gundam. Now the barrel cap's going to come in 5 different colors, which you can see here. The primary purpose is that this is going to go on the bottom of your grease gun, and it's going to prevent those leaks and drips from coming out the bottom of the follower rod. So that oozy mess that ends up in your toolbox or your truck or wherever it might be, this is going to prevent that from happening. Now to put it on, the first time, if your grease gun is very clean, and this is very clean, unlikely I know, but if that's the case, put a little bit of grease in there, just right around the rim, and then slide it on. Now once it's on, you can also use this as a priming bulb. If you've just put in a new tube of grease and you're having problems getting it primed, squeeze this as you're priming your grease gun, and that's going to help put a little bit of pressure up and get that grease out into the hose. Now, slide it on, and you've got a great seal that's going to keep it clean, keep your toolbox and your truck clean as well. Lastly, if you've got the same model grease gun but you've got different types of grease in each, this is a great way to distinguish what grease is in what gun. Now lastly, with every one we sell, we're going to include a small one as well that's going to fit on the tip of your grease coupler. Now if you're using a LockNLube grease gun, you've got that loop and lock design that's going to keep it all clean and stored nice and neat, but if not, you will get a coupler tip as well that's going to protect grease from coming out the coupler. Thanks for watching, and visit LockNLube.com for more information.